Can't nobody tell me nothing. Riding on my tractor, you know.
You can whip your Porsche.
Gets me in the valley.
Making me take him to Frisbee. My tan's coming off from formal, so I'm pasty. And look, do you see my part? It looks like I'm like a little boy.
Little boy? What does that mean?
I don't know, it's all like puffed up. Anyways, I have to go to the house.
I was a little boy once.
I have to go to the house for a membership enrichment. And then I have to go to the store, so maybe I'll get him later to go with me, maybe not.
Probably not.
Okay, you literally told me to wait for you. So I just left the house for the like enrichment thing we had to do. Basically just people came from like their career services and talked about how to build a resume and just like what to include and giving us tips and stuff. Now I have to go to Walmart. I'm not looking forward to that. I ran out of like all my makeup, so I just need to like pick some up just to have, and I need like a few grocery things. Or also we go to Target, but it's not like a super Target over here, so they don't have like everything I would need. I definitely have a pretty busy week this week. Today even in itself was super busy. I just have a lot to do. So I just finished eating dinner. Somehow it's already like 9:30. I don't know how it got so late. I'm literally so exhausted and I still haven't really got done everything I need to get done today. I'm gonna take a shower and hopefully get some more things done. As you can see, I just had salmon for dinner. I baked it, and I also had leftover shrimp from a different meal that I just heated up with it. And yeah, it was really good, but I ate like kind of late just because, like I said, I had to go to the store after I went to the house, and then I had to cook, which like honestly was a bad idea. So I don't really have time, but I'm ready to just kind of chill out now, even though I can't really chill because I have so much to do. Honestly, like, it's been rough. Like, this week has not been good. This past weekend was kind of stressful. I just have a lot to do with like our final media plans coming up for my classes. Just things to get ready for that. I've also been doing grad pictures, so I have to edit those and make sure I'm getting those back to people within like a week or so. I actually shot a wedding on Sunday. It was actually really like fun and exciting, but also very stressful. So kind of recovering from that and knowing I just have a lot of pictures to go through. I actually went through the pictures already, just sorting out like the duplicates and like blurry ones and stuff. So somehow I literally took like over 1,000 photos and now I have it down to like 500. But yeah, just kind of have a lot going on right now. Last night I was actually kind of able to relax. Well, after I like kind of freaked out and had a breakdown, I got back here and I actually saw in I think it was Abby Aslan's video, and I think she got it from someone else, like a different video of just like if you have a Himalayan salt lamp, you take it into the bathroom whenever you're going to take a shower, and then you like turn your actual light off and just have the salt lamp just to kind of like calm you down, take more of like a relaxing shower, I guess. So I did that last night and it actually really helped. It made me kind of feel better. I wish I could do it again tonight, but I really just need to take a shower really quick and get to work on stuff. Some of the outlines I was working on are due tomorrow afternoon, so once I'm done with those I'll have a little bit less to worry about. But I also have more pictures this week that I'm gonna do and a doctor's appointment, so I'm really just like have a lot on my plate, but I'm still going. I'm still getting stuff done ish. Summer's so close. I'm ready. Yeah, I probably won't vlog much more tonight. I'm just going to, like I said, take a shower, get in bed, like work on some stuff, and then hopefully go to sleep at a kind of decent hour. It's already 10 o'clock, so I will see you guys in the morning. Hey guys, things are looking up. I was having a rough start to the week, but I think it's better now. I always do that. I literally get so stressed out and then everything's fine, and then I'm like, okay, you didn't have to be stressed. I mean, I probably should have been. I was just actually able to get a lot of my... Okay, thanks for the blinker. I had work this morning and class. I'm just now leaving class. And then I have class again later at like 5:30. It's 3 right now. I'm actually going to Publix on campus because I need milk. I have to sneeze. Yes, I know I went to the store yesterday. I didn't know I needed milk until I had cereal this morning and realized I have like none left. And I won't have time tomorrow because I actually have a doctor's appointment at 3. So I'm gonna have to leave work early and then go to that. Then I'm coming back to school to do more senior pictures for another one of my sisters. But yeah, I was able to get a lot of the pictures edited that I had to do to catch up. Even though I stayed up really late last night, I didn't go to bed till like 2:45, which is really bad because I had to get up at 7:30. So it wasn't fun, but I'm feeling good now that things are kind of getting done, and I might make spaghetti tonight. I haven't had it in a long time, and I'm probably gonna cook for John, so it's just like easy to kind of do for both of us. So I need to go home and take the meat out while I go to my second class. I feel like all I ever vlog is me getting groceries. It's fine. So I'm about to go to class now. I actually just slept for like 10 minutes, so I was laying in bed just chilling, but then I like shut my eyes thinking I could sleep for like 5 seconds. It's actually like the worst kind of nap, so I'm regretting it right now. I should have never shut my eyes because now I'm like dead. I've come to realize I just don't like my hair down anymore. I'm sick of the feeling, so I just put it up now. It's a look. So I just finished cleaning up dinner. I'm in bed now. I actually, well, not like in bed, but I'm sitting in bed right now. I put in a load of laundry just because I haven't done it in a while. Sorry, the glare is kind of bad on my glasses too. John is actually working on a project with like a group at the library, so he didn't come to eat with me, but since I made so much, there was a bunch left over, so he's still gonna come eat, so he doesn't have to go to the dining hall. I'm actually gonna try to edit a video right now. Well, it's like already edited. I just have to do like a voiceover for it. I'm sure it's up by now if I ended up posting it, but I'm kind of like iffy about posting it because it's about like planning, like how I planned for the month of April, but kind of just showing like how I do my planner and stuff. But also it's like halfway through April now, so, and it's the end of the semester, so I feel like it might be kind of irrelevant, but I might still upload it because I already filmed it. I just have to do the voiceover. It's already edited and stuff. Yeah, so I'm just going to do that since I have a little bit of extra time, and then maybe get ahead on some more homework or start editing the wedding pictures. Hey.
Hi.
Is it good?
Yep. Thanks for cooking.
You had a long day of work?
Yep, a lot of school work.
And I'm feeding you.
Yep.
You're welcome.
It's great.
So yesterday was a sorry excuse for a vlog. I only took like one clip of like my camera and like campus because I was taking pictures last night for somebody, like the graduation pictures. Also, I look like this because I pretty much just woke up. So I did not vlog really at all yesterday, and today I'm gonna try and be productive and do a bunch of homework. I'm sitting downstairs like at our pool area because there's like little tables and stuff. John's here. He wanted to go outside, right, to do homework. So they have like little study rooms like in there too, but we came inside because it was getting hot. I mean, it wasn't too bad. We were sitting in the shade, but I didn't really want to smell like gross, and I still have some more things to do. So we're sitting in one of the little study rooms. So it's just like right inside. The pool is still right out there, and we're just working, right?
Mm-hmm.
Working hard. Want a sandwich soon?
Yeah, I'm getting hungry.
So I might go up and make us like lunch sandwiches or something, and then bring them down. So I actually just got ready to go for my scholarship banquet, and I'm just wearing this snakeskin kind of dress, and it like ties, and it's actually like short sleeve, but I decided to put this blazer over it just to look a little more profesh. It's really cute. I think I got it at like Marshalls or TJ Maxx. It can be like really casual and trendy, but also dress it up like I did now. I'm also just wearing white heels from Target, also my white bag to match from Forever 21. So I'm heading out now. I'm pretty sure it's like a dinner too, so obviously I'm gonna eat there and just be recognized for my scholarship. So I just parked at where the banquet is gonna be. I'm waiting for my friend Bree to get here, and then we're gonna walk in together. It doesn't actually start till 6:30, and it's 6:13, so we have a little bit of time. I realized I forgot to put earrings on because I was in a rush, so it looks like I don't know how to put myself together. It's fine. I'm just kidding, I'm overacting. So today has been another attempt at getting things done. I actually edited a lot of pictures, so I was pretty productive. You see John back there because we're cooking. There's not much to vlog today since I'm just been doing stuff on my computer and getting ready for our filming tomorrow for our sisterhood video. Don't know what my hair is doing, but what's new? Also, getting a pimple right here, and it's upsetting, especially the day before we have to film. So making teriyaki chicken, shrimp, fried rice. It's our fave. So we're being kind of impulsive and going to campus to take his graduation pictures, because the plan was we were going to do that today, and then we woke up and it was like completely storming, and there was like tornado watch and like hail, chance of hail. So I was like, okay, obviously we're not doing it. But it's 6:53 right now, and the light is like perfect. It's like not even raining anymore. The sun has come out enough. So I'm really excited we got up to go. I was thinking, I was worried because I didn't know like when I could do it another time if we had to like change days. You look good. Your little suit. You look so spiffy. This is making me so mad. The day before we film, I literally haven't broken out in like months. I was planning on doing like an Accutane update video because it's been like a year off Accutane, so I was gonna do like another like update, and I'm like, oh, I like never break out. I haven't got a pimple in like months. That's what I got. I seriously can't get over this light right now though. It just looks so pretty. It's been a success. Look at me, smile. Little graduate. Looking at the pics, eating ice cream. He's wearing a suit and I'm wearing shorts and a t-shirt. Whoa, golden hour if I've ever seen it. I'm actually heading to the beach for the end of our sisterhood filming. I haven't vlogged at all today and I'm sorry, but it has been a very on-the-go day. I literally have had no time to even look at my phone or think really, so I was not able to vlog the beginning scenes, but I think it's been really good so far. We're on schedule, which is good. Sorry, my blinker's on, I just realized that. So anyways, I'm almost to the beach now. This is our final scene for the day, but I think it's coming together. It's been a very long day, but it's also been fun. I'm really glad I got to like plan everything and see it kind of like come to life. This is the one thing I was like really excited to do with my position, is just kind of be in control of the video. It's the video we play during recruitment. If you're unaware, it's like our sisterhood video. So I think it's gonna be really cute. I just want to showcase like our sisterhood, you know, what it means to be a Zeta. Happy Easter. It's Easter Sunday. We just went to church. I'm actually having to sit here and do homework, so that's not fun, but the rest of my family is coming for lunch around 1. What time is it? So like an hour and a half. Stop! You're gonna do it again. And then we'll be eating Easter lunch. Stop. Okay. And all of our food.
Harry's not in.
Well, he finished mine. That's why he has 2 corn.
Beautiful red baby.